nepoznate i kraju neodakle si vrate, Slomanije, zar me nepoznate, ajde seko, da idemo preko, I have a response that I would like to post to many of Christophe Clugston's rambling videos about him saying that people with different languages cannot learn a language. The people with different brains wired. I would like to prove him wrong because I have Asperger's autism and I have a brain that's wired differently than most people do. And I can know several languages and several languages and the Yakovian dialect of the Croatian language and the Serbian language and the Polish language, just like that. It's a response. People with Asperger's, there are people with autism out there that know several different languages and stuff that are polyglots. However, I cannot find people with autism that are polyglots on YouTube. Most of the people on YouTube are polyglots are snubs. Christophe Clugston is an example, prime example, everyday example of a jerk. He's a jerk who thinks that people with different brains cannot learn languages, that you're retarded, that you're somehow not good enough. But this is not true. У меня аутизм. У меня аутизм. Я аутист. Я аутист. У меня мозг. Я могу говорить по языкам. По странным языкам. Я могу говорить по многим странным языкам. У меня аутизм. Ovo je moj radio. Je moj radio. Baofeng. Kitaisky radio. That's my radio. I'm also an amateur radio man. I have amateur radio. I have, I'm also, my call sign is W3AGF, same as my grandfather, Cecil Messenger. And this is the brief response that I have Asperger's, and I find his comments about people that can't speak a language very well as being retarded as highly offensive and highly derogatory, that he uses the word retarded in a very derogatory sense. He uses the word retarded to insult people like this. I have autism, and I feel that that's very insulting on his part. So, do widzenia, do svidania, hvala, laku noć. Ja sam Justin, ja hoću da mislim o jezicima. Ja hoću da mislim o jezicima. Jezici su moj životi. Jezik je moj život. Strani jezici nisu problem za mene. Hvala, laku noć.